Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. In this channel, we break down everything you need to know about Forex trading, strategies, and technical analysis. In this video, we're just going to be diving into a classic debate, EMA versus SMA. Okay, so which moving average is better for your trading strategy? Okay, so basically we're just going to be comparing the exponential moving average with the simple moving average. Okay, so if you're serious about improving your technical analysis, you need to understand how moving averages work and how they can impact your trades. So stick around, because by the end of this video you'll know exactly when to use the exponential moving average and when to use the simple moving average to maximize your strategy. And hey, if you're new here, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more expert trading insights. Okay, let's just quickly get started. Now, all right, first up, simple moving average. Okay, I'm just going to add the 50 period SMA to the chart real quick. I'm going to add the 50 period simple moving average. Set this to 50, set this to simple, and apply. All right, now the simple moving average is the most basic type of moving average, and as the name suggests, it's pretty simple. Okay, the SMA calculates the average price over a specific period and amplifies equal weight to all price points. Now, for example, a 50 period SMA takes the last 50 closing prices, adds them up, and divides by 50. The result, a smooth and steady line that helps traders identify long-term trends. Okay, now some of the advantages of SMA are that it is great for spotting long-term trends. Also, it helps to filter out short-term price noise, and finally, it is easy to use and interpret. However, some disadvantages of the SMA are that it is slow to react to price changes, and also it can lag behind market movements. Okay, but the SMA is best suited for traders who focus on long-term trends and want a reliable way to confirm market direction without reacting to every little price movement. But what if you need something more responsive? That's where the EMA comes in. Okay, now let's talk about the exponential moving average, or the EMA. Right now, unlike the SMA, the EMA puts more weight on recent price action. Right, it puts more weight on recent prices. I'm just going to add the EMA to the chart. I'm going to use the same 50 period. I'm going to change this to exponential. I'm going to change the color so that we can easily identify it. And you can see, here we go. So the red is the 50 EMA, while the blue, or is it the dark the dark blue, is the 50 SMA. Right now, the fact that the EMA adds more weight to recent prices makes it react much faster to price movements. Okay, as you can see, for example, if a major spike happens, the EMA will adjust quickly, while the SMA will take longer to reflect the change. We can see what happened around here, right? You can see that after this bullish move happened, you can see this bullish move. You can see that the EMA responded faster compared to the SMA. Right, so this makes the EMA perfect for short-term traders who need quick signals for entries and exits. Now, some of the advantages of EMA is that it has a faster reaction to price changes. Also, it is great for short-term traders and scalpers. Another advantage is that it can provide early trend reversal signals. Okay, however, some disadvantages with the EMA is that it is more sensitive to price noise and false signals. Okay, and it is not as stable as SMA in choppy markets. So if you are a day trader or a scalper, EMA could be your best friend because it reacts quickly to new price action. But if you are looking for a more stable trend following approach, the SMA might be better? All right. So now the big question, which one is better, the EMA or the SMA? Now the answer depends on your trading style, right? If you prefer long-term trend following strategies, you might want to go with the SMA, okay? Because it keeps your trading smooth and avoids reacting to every little price move. However, if you are a short-term trader looking for quick signals, the EMA is your go-to indicator because it reacts faster to market conditions. Okay, so I'm not just going to outrightly say that the EMA is better than the SMA or the SMA is better than the EMA, because it all boils down to your trading style, right? It boils down to the kind of trader that you are. It boils down to your tolerance for holding trades for long and all of that, right? So if you are a short-term trader, you might prefer the EMA. However, if you are a long-term trader, you might prefer the SMA, okay? On other news, a lot of traders actually combine both. For example, you can use the 50 period SMA for overall trend direction and then use 20 period EMA. And then use 20 period EMA, okay? I'm just going to change the EMA settings to 20. That's it's going to be a strategy, right? It's a strategy that some traders, you know, might find beneficial, okay? So if you can use a strategy whereby the 50 period SMA is going to be for overall trend direction and the 20 period EMA will be for your entry signals. Now this gives you the best of both worlds, stability and responsiveness. Right? Gives you both stability and responsiveness. Okay, now that wraps up our breakdown of the EMA versus the SMA. Both have their strengths and weaknesses, all right? And the best one for you depends on your trading goals and strategy. Okay, now I want to hear from you. Which moving average do you prefer? Okay, just drop a comment below and let me know if you are team EMA or team SMA. All right, and before you go, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss any of my future videos on forex trading strategies or indicators or tools or different topics that we cover in the forex market, or rather topics concerning the forex market or the financial world, basically financial markets, in this channel. In the meantime, thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next video.